Here's something fascinating you probably didn't know. An octopus doesn't just have one heart, it has three. Two of these hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the mind-blowing part. Whenever an octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body completely stops beating. Imagine that. Every time it moves through the water, its own body literally pauses a part of its life system. The ocean truly hides mysteries we're only beginning to understand. If you love facts like this, follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe.